don't trust up in the field, you gotta watch who you around. My circle getting smaller, used to be big like rolling line. Yeah, the fake is not no real. That shit give me chills. I can't go nowhere without my nine. This shit is real. I can't ever focus.
Yeah, you can't even stand up without hitting your head though. That's the crazy part about it.
Okay, but I can though.
Let me see you stand up right now. Stand up right now. No. Just get up off your bed. Don't go out. Wait. Stand up though. Stand up straight. Wait. How old are you again?
20, so pretty 23.
Wait, so when you was younger, you ain't like decide to get braces, like?
You know what? Fuck you. That's what you do. You know what? Next. You got my friend back.
Nah, cause your shit fucked. Like, yo, mama, I'm doing it right. I ain't gonna lie to you. You know that shit, mama. You know that shit.
Yeah, mama doing good.
Yo, how's life treating you?
Huh?
How's life treating you?
It's alright. You know, I mean, I took it day by day. That's all I can do. You from?
New York.
Oh, New York? What part of New York?
Brooklyn.
Okay. Dirty Brooklyn.
You just said dirty Brooklyn.
I don't know. I'm just saying. How they doing down there?
Yo, mama love funny.
You sound like you're Jamaican, though.
Nah, I'm not.
What you mix with?
Nothing. I'm just black.
Nah, you got an accent, though.
I'm just black. Look at you. Why are you trying to raise me up, though? Yo, you wildin'. Chill, mama. Yo, mama love, chill, you wildin'. Yo, you wildin'. I gotta go, you wildin'. Wait, how old are y'all?
I'm 7 and she 10.
Yo.
No, come back, where you going?
Yo, I'm going to jail. How old are you?
I'm 19.
You was not 19. Niggas be lying. Yo. Now, where you from? Chicago? Nah, you definitely be setting niggas up. Yo. That was cute. Yeah, she was cute. I got a song just for you though. Like, I need to see if you gonna vibe to it or not. If you do, you definitely set niggas up. Yo, where my dad? You set niggas up. You bump this song. Wait, let the ad go. You know, look, yo, you happy, yo? She set niggas up. Let me see something though. Go. Yo, she set niggas up. Say cheese.
Why?
Say cheese.
Why? Can you see me?
Yo, say cheese, bro.
Why?
Cause why your shit look fucked?
Who?
Your teeth. Nah, be for real. Say the ages real quick.
16, 17, 16. Girl, you're so stupid.
This is my life. I can do anything I want. I ain't have shit from the start, but now I got best I can knock. Niggas faking shit and always bluff. I've been through it all, you ain't tough. Had to run